Hey folks, John with UnDNR Chevys. Today we have an update on the Aztek. So what we have here is probably only one of the ones I know of that has a push button start. So what we got here is you unlock the car, activates the system, put your foot on the brake, and she's running. That's just door ajar and hatch. No, and low fuel. No other warnings. So to stop it, we put the foot on the brake and hit her again. And then to make everything die, hit the lock. So, and also, unlike other push button starts, she goes both ways. Yeah, don't worry about what's down there. So, just thought I'd bring an update to the Asstek. Oh, well, I guess another thing that can happen is, let's see here, where are we in the thing? We've got the car locked, everything's dead. You can unlock the car, activate it, and hit that once, and eventually this slow ass radio will come on. Hit it again, all the lights and doodads and shit come on, and hit it a third time, and that all dies, and then turn everything off. So, woohoo! Just 400 little loose ends to catch up on. All right, well, this has been John with the Asstek. Sitting on jack stands for 6 years, maybe 8. I don't know. Been counting, not counting. So, yay. Bye.